Hello everyone, welcome to the Webster Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Robonomics crowdloan in Kusama. I'm going to show you how to participate and share my thoughts. The first part, Robonomics crowdloan Basics. On Parachain website, Robonomics crowdloan has been listed with the crowdloan cap 1005 KSM. On their Twitter, the Robonomics has 28.7k followers, and today they just made the post about the crowdloan. It's open today. Now let's take a look at the website. The Robonomics network is an open source platform for IoT applications, which enables the exchange of technical and economic information in the form of atomic transactions between user applications, IoT services, and complex robotics. So this is the Robonomics network. Now the second part, the crowdloan campaign. We're going to look at more details for their crowdloan. On November 18, 2022, the first leasing period ended for Robonomics. They already made 4 million transactions, and their plan is to build decentralized application wiki projects and Robonomics academic in 2023. They are going to use the decentralized data storage cross network. Cross network is also a parachain on Polkadot. They just win the slot as well, and they are going to compete with AWS for the IoT. So the crowdloan for the Robonomics, they are going to compare all the crowdloans in Kusama and figure out the cap. So here's the data they have found. Those are all the winners for the Kusama crowdloan from July to November 2022. They use all of those numbers to calculate the median bid, which is 1005 KSM, and they use that as their cap for the crowdloan campaign. And after they figure out the cap, they are going to figure out the APY and figure out the rewards. They use the following formula for the maximum annual interest rate that's determined by the ideal staking rate and the maximum inflation rate for stakers. So for example, in Kusama, the inflation rate is 10%, and the ideal staking rate is 45%. So they use the 0.1 divided by 0.45 to get the ideal APY, that's 22.22. And this is the APY they are going to use to calculate the rewards token. So the rewards they calculate would be 2.06 XRT. The price for XRT is 2.4 right now, so 2.06, that would be around $5, and the KSM is 23 to 24. So that's how you will determine the APY. Their tokenomics would be deflationary in the future, and in their document they said in 2023 the deflation would be greater than 3%. And they also talk about their future plan. They will cancel the token staking during the next parachain slot. That means there will be no inflation on this part, and they will focus on the development. Now the part 3, how to participate. You can directly go to your JS wallet and click the contribute and put the amount of KSM you want to contribute. Put your password, and down you can check your contribution. So I already contribute 7 KSM right now. Now the last part will be my thoughts. So overall, I like this Robonomics crowdloan for the following reasons. The first one, Robonomics is the open source platform for IoT application. IoT is a very hot topic, and this application actually you can consider all the future smart home, everything you can use this IoT. And if I have the opportunity, I would definitely try the Robonomics, their device, and see how they are going to use the device and how to make it decentralized. So I can see they have a huge market in the future if they can be successful. Second, I like their way to calculate the number of tokens, because a lot of the parachain projects, they just release how many tokens they are going to give, but they didn't give a reason why they give this many of tokens. And I know a lot of people, they just randomly find parachain projects and they contribute. I don't recommend anyone contribute to the parachain projects without knowing how many tokens and also the tokenomics. Maybe you should also check the token price. Sometimes you contribute to a parachain and you didn't even get any token. So that's the second thing I like it. They give a very good APY actually, I think, because the APY is similar like in the Kusama, but the Kusama token is not deflationary. However, the Robonomics is deflationary. So I think it's not too bad considering that. Third, I think the current market is not good, so I would like to support and try to find a good parachain project to contribute. And Robonomics, they give a reasonable APY for me if I want to stake my KSM. So instead of directly staking, I'm going to stake on this project and get the token. And their token, the price is already there. The current price compared to the price last year, the risk is lower, I would say. So that's a third reason I like it. I also make one NFT for this one. This is robotics and the IoT. They work on the road towards somewhere, that's a house or something. I would like to give it to those who contribute to the crowdloan and leave a comments below my YouTube video to appreciate your support of my channel. So I'm going to randomly pick one. If you can leave a comments, you might be the lucky people to get my NFT. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.